Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2022 Seat Ateca Xperience Lux. This is the top of the range model and comes with the 1.5 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and returning up to 41 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 19 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 23,000 miles and comes with full service history from Seat. This colour is the dark camouflage and looks in great condition for the age of mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've also got the nice clean interior, and being the top of the range model, you've got the heated seats on the front and also leather all round. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has climate control, active cruise control on the left hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you then have your electric mirror and full window controls. The Ateca is a popular SUV for families, so as well as the nice raised driving position, you've also got lots of legroom and headroom in the back there. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own air vents in the centre, as well as 2 charging ports. And opening the tailgate, which is electric, reveals a really good size boot there, nice and square and low, with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also 360-degree parking cameras. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.